Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The claims tribunal was influenced by the statement of one D. Ravi Shankar, station master, before whom the search of dead body was made in the presence of deceased son, and at that time journey ticket was not found with the body. Stop. The claims tribunal has also relied upon the sketch map and post-mortem report while non-suiting the appellant's. Stop. On filing civil miscellaneous appeal number 2442 of 2019 before the High Court, it was dismissed, making an observation that the findings of claims tribunal are not perverse, as the deceased was not found to be a bona fide passenger and appellants have failed to prove the death of deceased is an outcome of the on towards incident. Stop. Assailing those findings, learned counsel for the appellants relied upon the FIR, inquest report, and the final report and contended that occurrence was an outcome of untoward incident as defined under section 123 of the Railways Act 1989, in short, Railways Act. Stop. It is further urged that as per the averments made in the claim petition and the statement of claimant appellant, it is apparent that he had purchased the ticket of rupees 10 and handed it over to his father at a railway station for the journey in train number 5684. Stop. Learned counsel, placing reliance on the judgment of Union of India versus Reena Devi, urged the initial burden of being bona fide passenger has been discharged and the onus has been shifted on the railway authorities, which has not been discharged by them. Stop. Therefore, the findings of the claims tribunal and the High Court are perverse. Stop. It is further urged in the light of judgment of UOI versus Radha Yadav, because death is proved due to outcome of untoward accident of the deceased being bona fide passenger, the adequate amount of compensation may be awarded. Stop. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondents submitted that there are two necessary ingredients which need to be proved on strict parameters. First, the deceased being a bona fide passenger, and second being the occurrence of an untoward incident. Stop. As per the findings concurrently recorded by the claims tribunal and High Court, those ingredients have not been found proved. Therefore, the present appeal may be dismissed. Stop. After having heard learned counsel for the parties and on perusal of provisions of the Railways Act, in particular Chapter 10, which deals with the liability of railway administration for death and injury to passengers due to accidents. Stop. Section 123 defines untoward incident. Stop. As per clause 2, the accidental falling of any passenger from a train carrying passengers would be an untoward incident. Stop. As per section 124A, the railway administration is liable to pay compensation on account of untoward incident. Stop. When in the course of working of railway an untoward incident occurs, then whether or not there has been any wrongful act, neglect or default on the part of the railway administration as such, would entitle a passenger who has been injured or died. Stop. The claim can be maintained to recover the damages and notwithstanding anything contained in any other. Stop.